Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. This is Pure Stoneheart once again. Thank you and good morning, good evening, good noon, wherever you are in the world who's watching this video. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart. And now again guys, I am thrilled, I am happy that to show or to do another unboxing, of course. We will do another unboxing guys. I purchased another pair of shoes. This is a gift for myself for my birthday this month. Ayan. So it was arrived yesterday and I'm so excited to do the unboxing for this. Let's go, join with me. So, another, again, guys, a pair of shoes which I ordered in the online. My favorite online shop. Once again, Brands for Less Bacon naman. Thank you so much. And now, I'm excited to open this one. Ouch, what happened? This is another pair of shoes, guys, that I love the color. Actually, I already have the same brand but different style. Yeah, here we go. Terrex Hexter W, which is size 9. This is Adidas. Okay, Brands for Less, sealed. Yeah, and here we go. So excited the colors. I love the color. T-Rex series. Yeah, this is a very nice combination. I already have this one, guys, with what for all our violet light pink here, and yeah, this is it, and the combination, the color itself, yeah, I love it. See, and the size is 9 US. This one that I really like, this one, guys. I don't know if okay. This is adjustable. Okay, sorry. So, it's the design. The design is very cute. Yeah. And this one, another, the pair. Yeah. Okay, I never thought that this is an adhesive, guys. Because I just knew this when I opened. Yeah. Here we go. And I have here the new pair of Terrex shoes. The spikes, they are so adorable. Yes, what's else? So nothing more here. Wow. Return in. Okay, and here's another one, and I saw this one on online, guys, and it shows in the online. It's very cute, the color. I'm so excited to open this one because if I receive this one the same in the picture, so I would be happy, but if not, I will feel sad really, because in the picture this is very cute. The color combination is very nice, so I don't know what to I'm expecting too much for this one. So actually this is for fashion. The box, actually this is from where? Oh, there you go. The combination, the color I choose. Look. Oh my goodness. It's very nice. It's the same in the picture. It's the same in the picture, guys. Really, really, and it's just for fashion. I will really buy the other one. I will really buy this has a 4 combination color. Yes, the 4 combination color. And this one is one of the color that I really choose. I really like in that online shop. So I am satisfied. I am satisfied for the color. It's the same in the picture. Really. My gosh. So, my God. Really, this is really nice. Haha. For fashion, this is very nice. And the other one, guys, is this one. I'm so excited also this one because I'm fan of fashion, but this case, guys, is I hope this really will amaze me for, I'm so excited. And okay, I will let you first to view this one. What's that? Yeah. What? Oh my God. What is the size of this? This is size 44. Size 44, and this kinda like very nice. The canvas is very nice. Look. This is very interesting. This is interesting, guys, because yeah. So 9, it could be like 44. So I will buy also the other 3 colors of this because this was a 3 combination, 3 combination colors. So I will buy the 3 of this. The other color, but I believe I will try to order the 43 size or 42 size because I adjusted. I thought because this might be a bigger color for me, and this is very nice, guys, because for fashion. Yeah, there you go. There I have it. Oh my God, I'm so excited to wear all of this. There you go, guys, my 3 pairs of shoes which I ordered last week and arrived today. But this one I arrived 3 days ago, or 2 days ago. This one I arrived 5 days ago. So I'm so happy for the outcome, or I'm so happy to have all this delivered because it was delivered and I received it as is. So the color, the colors and everything. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart. Sa mga hindi pa nag-like, please do like and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. God bless. Spread love and positivity.